Hi loves, the time is around like 5:30. Today is the 24th of October. Like I said, I was gonna film my fertility journey. So today was today is the first day of my periods. We were hoping we were not gonna come here. We were really hoping we were not gonna come here. So I got tablets that I need to take. These are the tablets I'm supposed to take. I thought there were more than this. How many I have? I thought he said there were 10. They gave me 1, 2, 3, 4. They didn't give me 10. Let's go back. They didn't give me 10. They only gave me 5. And according to the doctor, I'm supposed to get 10. Because I'm supposed to take from the 28th until the 1st. And then from the 1st until the... So I don't know. But these are the tablets. So these tablets are supposed to help my eggs mature. So I just want to go back and find out. And then he also gave me a prescription. This is something I was supposed to go and get at Clicks, but I don't need that. I don't think I need this. It's for the chances of my pregnancy to go up. I don't know. But yeah, let's go back and ask, because I don't understand why they gave me less. So the doctor said it's fine. I can just take the 5. So I'm gonna take from the 28th, which is probably the last day of my periods. And yeah. Hey loves. So we are on our way to our GP. Today is show you now, the 18th of November. We are going to the GP. I have my periods, so she said that if I have my periods we must go to him. So I have my periods, so that's what we're gonna do. I think I want to do blood work, and then we gonna take it from there. At this point I just want them to take me to a gynae, and then the gynae will do a proper examination and just figure out what's going on, instead of us going to the GP all the time and not really getting the results that we want. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I am just trying to turn on my router. That's on. But yeah, let us go to the GP. I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Ooh, that dashboard. Hey loves, so we just came back from the GP. We did blood work together. We just want to figure out if maybe fertility wise, am I like able to like conceive. So that's what we did. We just came back from that. So as you can see there, my husband also did. With my husband it was just a routine. It's not like we had to, baby it thank you. But yeah, that's where we at. I want to show you guys my outfit. My husband thinks that it's very short. I'm wearing this I bought years ago at Mango.
Yeah, what?
And then this t-shirt I bought it at Forever New. So honestly, I feel like the worst thing to happen when you are trying to conceive is having your periods. And then you're like, okay, let's regroup and let's start all over again. So it's hard, I won't lie. It's really hard. And because not only there's pressure outside, there's like pressure from yourself. You're like also wondering, is that it, does that mean I can't conceive? And with all that I've tried to do, what does that mean? So I think we're gonna give it 6 months with everything that we have tried so far, especially after we have the blood work. And we also want to check my husband's swimmers if they are strong enough. And I think I'll be comfortable knowing if his swimmers are strong enough to do the job. And I will also be comfortable knowing what my blood works or blood work come up with, what the results are gonna be. So we are gonna get the results on Monday, and it's gonna give us a way forward a little bit, because that will be one thing checked in our checklist. And yeah, so I also did get the tablets that I showed you guys in the previous video. So I did get those. So today is my first day of my periods. On the 5th day, I need to take the first pill for 5 days. And then yeah, man, otherwise now, if nothing happens, we're gonna give it 6 months. Like for example, December, we're gonna give it December, January, February, March, April, May. And then if nothing has happened, then I think it's best we go to a gynae to like get a more thorough, I don't know, but a way forward. We also want to do like if I get my periods now in December, we are gonna go and check my husband's swimmers. Monday we are getting the blood work, so we both did the blood work. So on Monday we're gonna get the results and we're gonna take it from there. Honestly, I have great support from my husband, because Shem, he's very supportive, he's very understanding also. So I can't really like complain about that. And yeah, we will see how it goes on Monday when we get our blood work, and to take it from there. Honestly, I'm trying to be patient, I'm trying to be not hard on myself, and yeah, let God's will be done. Yeah, I will definitely see you guys. I think I'll update you Monday after the blood work. If not, then I will talk to you guys again when on the day that I'm supposed to get my periods. Oh, all right. I always feel like my husband's chair is like way to the back. Hi, loves. What is today, baby?
28.
28? Yeah. Today is the 28th of October. And I'm about to take the tablets. I'm about to take the tablet. Today is the first day. So it will be how many? 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it will be 5 days. And why are you saying cat with? I'm gonna take these. How do you do it, Anna? There we go. Apparently they make you nausea and one of the other things. It tastes like a tablet. Anyway, wind down. Oh, 4 more to go. 4 more to go.